You been the what?
Lookout.
You been the lookout? What you looking out for?
Bears, no wolves, no jaguars, no lions,
Birds, jaguar, wolves, all that?
tigers,
Tigers?
no cheetahs.
And no cheetahs. Well, my boys done talked me into walking through the woods, so I'm not sure.
Live?
Huh?
Are you using Facebook Live?
No, this is not Facebook Live. This is my mini iPad. Can't get a Facebook Live on this. Not without Wi-Fi anyway. So, are you guys scared? Do we need to turn around?
Nope.
Yeah.
You ready to turn around?
Nope.
Let's go. Anthony, watch out for that bear over there.
There.
Right there.
There's something there.
Caleb, you see it?
Yep.
You do?
No, I'm not a kill this year.
Okay, well, let me see. Okay, who's ready to go back?
Yeah.
Caleb? You trying to
Boy, I will hit you if you don't stop.
What?
see how he talking to you? Caleb?
Y'all scared Danny?
Yeah, you scared him.
And you thought it was a bear.
Yeah, he thought it was a bear. Well, this is enough for now because I need to be alert.
Back in Red Doodle was for me and our friends.
There we go. Nah, not your friends, your family, boy.
I call them friends because I barely know them. I know like some of them.
All right, I guess it's time to shut it down.
I'm still going.
Okay.
I want to go to the end.
But Caleb is scared. You scared, Caleb? All right.